Welcome to School2.
Yes, our last discussion.
Baba, good afternoon. Okay, sir.
I said that I was going to call you back. And let me talk to $10. Once I'm done, I will call you. It's me, the wise one. Okay. My daughter.
Baba. Good afternoon, Baba.
My people say that a frog does not run in the daytime for nothing.
Yeah.
If it's not chasing something, something is chasing it.
Yes, Baba, yes.
What brought you to the shrine of Anya?
Baba, something is really chasing me. Baba, that thing that you say go is chasing me. Baba, this is the Christmas time. This is December. I need to hammer. Baba, look at me now. Baba, look at me. You see me now. See me. I need to hammer. Hey, Baba, by the time I am inside Range Rover and you're inside Lamborghini, Baba, say you don't like it, me.
Follow me, go Saro. My baby, my sweetie, my honey, my darling. Make you follow me, go Saro. So yeah, I got it. Magic touch, I got it. Magic kiss, I got it. Follow me, go Saro.
You can go.
Hey, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Come, no. Come.
You come.
Yes.
Okay, Baba.
There's one last thing that is remaining.
Okay, Baba. Baba, what is it?
You have given what he wants, but you have not given Baba,
what are you talking about?
I only gave you their number, but I did not give you the phone you will use to call them.
Baba, you made a mistake.
I will give you the phone.
Hey, Baba.
But you have to give what he wants.
Baba, you mean? Baba, only that one. Baba, you sure?
Once you can do it, the phone is yours.
Baba, you sure?
Hey, Baba.
Hey, Baba.
It's teaching time, they say benign.
Now you have given what he wants. The gods are happy with you.
Okay, Baba.
Go no. This is the phone
Hey, Baba.
you will use to call all of them.
Oh my God, Baba, I will go with you.
The gods are happy with you. You can even call the gods with this phone.
Hey, are you serious? Baba, I can even call you Abi, spiritually.
You can call me.
Hey, Baba.
You can go, my daughter.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Hey, not reachable. Baba. Okay, let me try to take the last one. Switched off. Hey. Okay.
You dey from bamboo, you dey fallacy, Bobo can't to me, make I show you something. Do you hear what I say? Have no fear. I will be your Sunita, and you my arrow. My baby, my sweetie, my honey, my darling. Make you follow me, go Saro. My baby, my sweetie, my honey.
School2. Please, you guys should join and support the ministry.
Yeah.
You know, we need you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, School2 Comedy, so that you can enjoy new skits.
Yes,
Very funny skits. You know, so massive, man.
Oh,
So watch
massive.
out, man. So